Cody on something decent here.
Oh God.
I'm pushing you away. Oh, it's a decent sized one.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, it's a catfish. Go. What is up, guys? It is your boy Jaden from YOK Outdoors. We out here today on Percy Priest Lake doing some kayak fishing. All right, we are trolling, guys. I got the line out, maybe about 20 feet behind me, going at a steady pace, and hopefully hook onto a nice striper. Striper? You lost it. Too loose. There's something decent right there. Big one? Cody's first on the board.
Oh man.
It's a decent one, man.
Oh yeah. Woo, woo, there you go.
Can I get kind of a little closer to you?
Yeah, get close, get close. Ah.
That's big, man. Set your drag a little bit. Oh, you got it. Cody on something decent here.
Oh God.
I'm pushing you away. Oh, it's a decent sized one.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, it's a catfish. Go. Oh, it's a catfish, bruh.
Oh yes.
Holy shit, that's a nice one. Let me get closer to you.
Holy
I'm gonna
shit.
bump into you.
Oh.
First on the board, bruh.
God.
Second one.
Oh man.
That is a beauty.
That's a beaut.
That is a beaut, Cody.
He bit hard too.
Second caddy of the day, guys. Make sure to give a thumbs up to Cody for that catch.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Got the big boy.
I'll take a solid lead. Oh, Dad.
All right, Dad.
Oh. Catch and release, boys.
Catch and release, boys. There he goes.
Shit.
Dude, pump it. Perfect fish. Woo! All right, guys. Cody just spotted the stripers. I'm gonna cast my rod out just for a little bit while we paddle there. We're gonna make our way there. And if Cody guessed it right, you're gonna be in for an awesome video. We're paddling towards them now, and we'll see what we get. Holy shit! Look at it! It's right behind me, right here.
Oh, I see that.
Holy shit, there's tons of them. Oh my God, I've never seen this many fish. I'm on, Dad. They're stripers, we got a shoal of them right here. We got them, boys, we got them. Beautiful fish on, Dad. Saw them freaking jumping everywhere behind us. We're on a shoal of them, guys. We're about to get a ton of them. Damn, this one just done swallowed this thing, dude. All right, I'm on the board, guys. First striper of the day. Beautiful fish, little baby one. This is a hybrid, my bad. But we're on a shoal of them, and watch me hit them left and right now. They're moving this way. They're moving towards our cove. Cody's on, guys. If it's giant, I'll come towards you. If it's small, just show it to the camera because I want to catch them too. He's on, guys. He's on. All right, that counts. That counts.
It counts. There's a baby.
We're on the shoal of them, guys. I'm gonna get out your way a little bit.
I'm gonna follow them down.
They are going down that way, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna just I want them to start jumping again so I can see where they're at. Perfect cast. Oh, on guys. On, Dad. On, guys. On, guys. Woo! Oh, baby. Come to Papa.
And the rain.
And we're on the shoal of oh, that's a decent one, boys. That's a decent one right there.
Not a bad fish.
Not a bad fish. This is this is 2 tacos right here. Cody and I were keeping them. That would be a decent taco, guys. Look at that bad boy. That's 2 for me. One hybrid for Cody, 2 hybrids for me, and Cody got an awesome catfish. I'm fishing in the rain, dude. I don't care.
Yeah, I'm fishing.
I'm telling you guys.
They're right in front of me.
Oh, I see them. Cody's following the shoal. He's about to hook up right now.
Oh, they're right in front of me, guys.
Sorry if I'm like in your way and stuff, but I just don't want to miss these.
Good fishing, dog.
We're gonna nail these guys, dude. Damn, you're like right on them though. You're good, you just keep going. Oh! He just lost the big one, guys. He's on the stripers. That looked like a big one. I'm turning around here, guys. Cody has found them. We might be in luck. It is raining so hard right now. It is raining so hard. Holy crap, it is raining hard, guys. There's a big storm coming. We are caught in the storm. All right, guys. It's been a great video. The storm has washed us out. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Please share this video with your friends and family. Give us a thumbs up for the fish we got today. We love you all. And we are signing out. This storm is killing us.